Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the first module of chapter Gravitation. In this module, we are going to study about the concept gravitation. When an apple fell on Newton's head, he figured out the concept gravitation. Earth exerts a force of attraction on all bodies near its surface. The force of attraction exerted by the earth on any other body is termed as gravity. Gravity is what makes or brings things down against when we throw them up. Like earth, all bodies in the universe attract each other. The force with which all bodies in the universe attract each other is called gravitational force. The revolution of the moon around the earth is also due to the gravitational force which acts towards the center of the earth. Such a force exerted on a body moving around a circular path that acts towards the center of the circular path is known as centripetal force. Newton originally thought, like an apple, all bodies should fall on earth. However, based on his study of centripetal force, he was able to explain why does this not happen. When a body A is in circular motion around another body B, it experiences a force of attraction directed away from the circular path, which is equal in magnitude and opposite in direction to the centripetal force. This prevents the two bodies from moving towards each other due to the gravitational force of attraction between them. This is the reason that moon and planets revolve around in their respective orbits instead of falling on each other. For a better understanding of centripetal force, let us consider the game of hammer throw, an Olympic athletic event. Each thrower swings the hammer around and releases it at a point such that hammer flies off in one direction. We can observe that hammer gradually gains velocity as the thrower swings it around, and hammer flies off in a straight line which is tangential to the circular path of its revolution. The motion of the moon around the earth is due to the centripetal force. The centripetal force is provided by the force of attraction of the earth. If there were no such force, the moon would have pursued a uniform straight line and gone away from the surface of the earth. So, now you studied what is gravitation. Now let us understand what is the difference between the terms gravitation and gravity. Gravitation is the force of attraction between any two objects in the universe, and gravity is a special case of gravitation in which it is the force of attraction between Earth and any other object in the universe. Thank you.